Reflect in English podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Reflect in English podcast. I'm Patrick.
And I'm Olivia. Today, we're going to practice basic daily English expressions.
That's right. We'll read sentences slowly, then repeat them so you can practice shadowing.
Shadowing is when you listen and speak at the same time, trying to match the rhythm, tone, and pronunciation.
Perfect for beginners and super helpful to sound natural in English.
Let's start with something simple. I'll read a sentence, and then Patrick will read it too. You can repeat after us. Hi, how are you today?
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
I'm doing well, thank you.
What have you been up to?
What have you been up to?
I've been busy with work.
I've been busy with work.
That sounds interesting.
That sounds interesting.
Do you want to grab a coffee later?
Do you want to grab a coffee later?
Sure, that would be great.
Sure, that would be great.
Now, let's try some more expressions for daily life.
Let's go.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's almost noon.
It's almost noon.
Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
Of course. No problem.
Of course. No problem.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Could you say that again, please?
Could you say that again, please?
Yes, I can repeat it slowly.
Yes, I can repeat it slowly.
Now, let's move to expressing feelings.
They are very common in everyday conversation.
I'm happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you.
I'm a little tired today.
I'm a little tired today.
I'm excited about the weekend.
I'm excited about the weekend.
I feel nervous before exams.
I feel nervous before exams.
That's normal. Don't worry.
That's normal. Don't worry.
Time for polite expressions. Very useful in daily life.
Totally.
Please, have a seat.
Please, have a seat.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. Could you help me?
Excuse me. Could you help me?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
No problem at all.
No problem at all.
Let's practice asking and giving directions.
Very practical.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's just around the corner.
It's just around the corner.
How can I get to the train station?
How can I get to the train station?
Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Thank you, that's very helpful.
Thank you. That's very helpful.
Now, let's do shopping phrases.
Yes, shopping is something everyone does.
How much is this?
How much is this?
It's $10.
It's $10.
Can I try it on?
Can I try it on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept both credit and debit cards.
Yes, we accept both credit and debit cards.
Let's continue with restaurants. Can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
I recommend the pasta.
I recommend the pasta.
I would like a glass of water.
I would like a glass of water.
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Could you bring it a little faster?
Could you bring it a little faster?
Sure, no problem.
Sure, no problem.
Now, let's practice making plans with friends. Do you want to go to the park tomorrow?
Do you want to go to the park tomorrow?
What time should we meet?
What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 10 a.m.
Let's meet at 10 a.m.
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me.
I'm busy on Saturday. Can we go Sunday instead?
I'm busy on Saturday. Can we go Sunday instead?
Yes, Sunday works perfectly.
Yes, Sunday works perfectly.
Don't forget to bring your camera.
Don't forget to bring your camera.
Next, we practice talking about hobbies.
Talking about hobbies helps you make friends.
What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books.
I enjoy reading books.
I like playing football.
I like playing football.
I love listening to music.
I love listening to music.
I spend time drawing or painting sometimes.
I spend time drawing or painting sometimes.
Good job, everyone. Hobbies make life fun.
Absolutely.
Let's move to travel English. Very useful for beginners who want to explore the world.
Yes, travel English is essential.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
Where is the nearest bus stop?
How much is a ticket to the city center?
How much is a ticket to the city center?
1 ticket, please.
1 ticket, please.
I need a taxi, please.
I need a taxi, please.
Can you take me to this address?
Can you take me to this address?
How long does it take to get there?
How long does it take to get there?
About 20 minutes by car.
About 20 minutes by car.
Now, let's cover emergency phrases. These are important for safety. Help! I need help.
Help! I need help.
Call the police, please.
Call the police, please.
I lost my passport.
I lost my passport.
I need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
It's an emergency.
It's an emergency.
Stay calm. Help is on the way.
Stay calm. Help is on the way.
I'm feeling under the weather.
I'm feeling under the weather.
Next, we'll practice a short, natural conversation.
Let's go.
Hi, can I sit here?
Hi, can I sit here?
Sure, go ahead.
Sure, go ahead.
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking.
It was great. I went hiking.
That sounds fun.
That sounds fun.
Yes, and the weather was perfect.
Yes, and the weather was perfect.
Do you want to join me next time?
Do you want to join me next time?
Absolutely. I love hiking.
Absolutely. I love hiking.
Let's continue with workplace English. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
How is your project going?
How is your project going?
I'm almost finished.
I'm almost finished.
Do you need any help?
Do you need any help?
Yes, please. I'm struggling with this report.
Yes, please. I'm struggling with this report.
Don't worry. We can work on it together.
Don't worry. We can work on it together.
Let's have a quick meeting at 2 p.m.
Let's have a quick meeting at 2 p.m.
Sounds good. I'll prepare the documents.
Sounds good. I'll prepare the documents.
Now, let's practice phone conversations.
Phone English is very useful, especially for beginners.
Hello? This is Olivia speaking.
Hello, this is Olivia speaking.
Hi, Olivia. This is Patrick.
Hi, Olivia. This is Patrick.
Can I talk to the manager, please?
Can I talk to the manager, please?
I'm afraid he's busy right now.
I'm afraid he's busy right now.
Can I leave a message?
Can I leave a message?
Yes, please. Tell him I will call back at 3 p.m.
Yes, please. Tell him I will call back at 3 p.m.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Next, we'll do small talk phrases for casual conversations.
Small talk helps you connect with people naturally.
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's very sunny and warm.
Yes, it's very sunny and warm.
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing. I stayed at home and watched movies.
It was relaxing. I stayed at home and watched movies.
That sounds fun. Which movies did you watch?
That sounds fun. Which movies did you watch?
I watched a comedy and a documentary.
I watched a comedy and a documentary.
I hope you have a good week ahead.
I hope you have a good week ahead.
Now, let's do some more travel dialogues.
Perfect.
Can I get a window seat, please?
Can I get a window seat, please?
How long is the flight to London?
How long is the flight to London?
It takes about 7 hours.
It takes about 7 hours.
Can I have some water, please?
Can I have some water, please?
Do you have vegetarian meals?
Do you have vegetarian meals?
Yes, we have vegetarian and vegan options.
Yes, we have vegetarian and vegan options.
When do we start boarding?
When do we start boarding?
Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m.
Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m.
Let's practice some easy idiomatic expressions for daily English.
Let's do it.
This exercise is a piece of cake.
This exercise is a piece of cake.
Let's make sure we are on the same page.
Let's make sure we are on the same page.
Let's call it a day.
Let's call it a day.
Now, let's try another realistic daily conversation.
Repeat after us.
Hi, can I borrow your pen?
Hi, can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. I forgot mine at home.
Thank you. I forgot mine at home.
No problem. Do you have an extra notebook?
No problem. Do you have an extra notebook?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thanks again. I really appreciate it.
Thanks again. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's continue with shopping negotiations. Is this the best price you can offer?
Is this the best price you can offer?
I'm afraid that's the lowest price.
I'm afraid that's the lowest price.
Can you give me a small discount?
Can you give me a small discount?
Yes, I can give you 10% off.
Yes, I can give you 10% off.
I'll take it. Thank you.
I'll take it. Thank you.
Can I pay in cash or by card?
Can I pay in cash or by card?
Either is fine.
Either is fine.
Next, we'll practice expressing opinions politely.
Very useful in conversations with friends or colleagues.
I think this idea is really interesting.
I think this idea is really interesting.
In my opinion, we should start earlier.
In my opinion, we should start earlier.
I'm not sure about that.
I'm not sure about that.
That sounds good to me.
That sounds good to me.
Personally, I prefer the red one.
Personally, I prefer the red one.
I agree with you completely.
I agree with you completely.
Now, let's practice storytelling in short sentences.
Notice the past tense.
Yesterday, I went to the park.
Yesterday, I went to the park.
I saw many people walking their dogs.
I saw many people walking their dogs.
A little girl gave me a flower.
A little girl gave me a flower.
It was such a nice surprise.
It was such a nice surprise.
Then I bought an ice cream and sat on a bench.
Then I bought an ice cream and sat on a bench.
I watched the sunset and felt very relaxed.
I watched the sunset and felt very relaxed.
Next, we'll practice giving advice.
You should drink more water every day.
It's a good idea to take a short walk.
It's a good idea to take a short walk.
Don't stay up too late.
Don't stay up too late.
Try to practice English a little every day.
Try to practice English a little every day.
You could ask a friend for help.
You could ask a friend for help.
Remember to take breaks while working.
Remember to take breaks while working.
Finally, let's practice polite expressions. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How do you do?
How do you do?
Please, go ahead.
Please, go ahead.
After you.
After you.
It was a pleasure talking to you.
It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
I really appreciate your kindness.
I really appreciate your kindness.
Excuse me, may I ask a question?
Excuse me, may I ask a question?
Of course, feel free to ask.
Of course, feel free to ask.
That's it for today's session. We practiced many common English expressions you can use right away in your daily life.
Keep shadowing these sentences daily. Even 10-15 minutes will help your English improve.
Yes, step by step, you'll build your confidence in natural English.
Thanks for listening to Reflect in English podcast. Keep practicing and shadowing.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.